Alright traders, so in this video I'm going to go ahead and show you how to create a professional trading journal. And as you can see, this is my own right here. Every trade that I take, I make sure I document into this trading journal so that I can refer to it anytime that I want. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and show you how to create this. You can see we have this trading journal here, and I have linked it to this calendar here. So any trade that I take from my trading view, I just come and then input it here so that I can refer to them over time. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and show you how to create a professional trading journal so that you can look up to anytime you are trading. Okay, as you can see, I have this trading step here. Anytime I'm trading, I have this trading step here that I follow anytime I'm trading. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do all these things that you are seeing here. All right, so the app that I'm using is Notion. Okay, so you're gonna go to your browser and then search for Notion download. All right, so Notion download. Okay, it's gonna pop up, then you download it. Okay, so I have it on my PC. I'm not going to download again. All right, so download and install on your PC. So anytime you open, this is how you're gonna look like. Okay, so you just need to sign up with your email or your Facebook or whatever. Okay, so I've already logged in. Okay, so you need to come to this section here. You know, we have create new page. Press on that place. It's gonna come like this. Okay, this is a blank space that we are going to work on. Okay, so here you can put a cover right here at the top here. You can add a cover at the top here. So let's go and add a cover. So this blank space is where we're going to input everything, every table that you are seeing. This is where we're gonna make sure that everything comes. Okay, so you can add a cover here. Let's start by adding a cover at the top here. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a cover at the top here. You can watch the video carefully, then practice. So I'm gonna go ahead and bring this picture. Bring this picture right here. Okay, so this is the cover that I'm adding. It's loading. Okay, so let's put the heading right here. Trading journal. Sorry, trading journal. Okay, so we have here the trading journal. Okay, so we are going to go ahead and bring a table on the screen. That is in the table. That's where we're gonna put in all the pairs and then whatever is happening. All right, so we're going to come here, this plus here. Okay, so press here on this plus. Then you need to come down. We have two trading. Okay, we have two table. We have this table here. We're gonna pick the table view. Pick this one, table view. Okay, so table view is gonna come on the screen. Okay, so we're gonna type in trading journal. Type trading journal here. All right, so trading journal. Journal here. Okay. All right, so here you can put in any name that you want. All right, so first we're gonna put pair here. We're gonna input pair and this place pair. That's where we're gonna put all the currency pairs. Okay, and this area here we're going to put in date. That's where we're gonna put the date. All right, so we're gonna put date right here. Date. I'm gonna go ahead and put in the date right at this place. Okay, and this area, press here and then go down to date. All right, so select date. So that, let's say we are trading GBP USD, we find a setup on GBP USD. Let's come here, or let's say this pair USD chef, we found a pair on USD chef. Let's say we are selling USD chef from here to the downside. Okay, with all the confirmation, and we want to put this into our trading journal. So we need to come to the Notion, then we type in USD chef right here, and now we pick the date. Let's say the date, when you press here, it's gonna come like this. Okay, so let's say this is the date, yesterday, Friday. Okay, so the date is gonna appear here, right here. Okay, so the next is gonna be the session. So you come here, and now we're gonna choose select. All right, because we want to put in different names. All right, we need to select different options. So we're going to go on select, then we type in sessions right here. Okay, so session, we need to add options. So session, let's add option by adding, let's say Asian session, London session, the session that we took the trade on. All right, London session, and then the New York session. Okay, so let's say we took the trade in the morning, so it's gonna be landing session, so you're gonna press in and it's gonna come. All right, so this is the option that we just added, landing session. Okay, so here we're gonna put in, let's say, direction. All right, the direction, market direction. So let's go and select, press select, then put in direction here, direction. Then we come to option, then let's say direction. Let's say the market was bullish, bullish market, market, bearish market. Let's say bearish market, market. Let's say consolidation, consolidation. All right, so we have these three right here, and the next one we're gonna bring in, let's say, confluence that we saw before the trade entry. So that one too, you wanna select this one here, pick select. All right, so confluence, and then confluence for the trade, or point of interest, confirmations. All right, confirmation for the trade, confluence or confirmations for the trade. All right, so the next, let's add outcome. What was the trade outcome? All right, so let's pick this one, select, and then let's come to outcomes. All right, so this outcome or result. All right, so the result of the trade. Okay, result. Let's add options here. Was a win trade or was a lose trade? Loss. All right, that is it. So let's say if this trade was a win trade, we press inside the box and it's gonna come win or loss or win. Then we pick, if it's a win, we pick win. If it's a loss, we pick loss. All right, so this one too, let's add options to it. Okay, so let's add options. Confluence. Let's say the confluence was OB zone or fair value gap, or let's say fair value gap, or let's say equal low. All right, equilibrium or whatever. Let's say equilibrium price. That's what we used to take the trade. Okay, so yeah, so let's say we took the trade on fair value gap, OB zone, or equilibrium price. So you're gonna put this one here. So if you press inside, then you're gonna select, if it's a fair value gap, you select, and the direction you're gonna press in here, and then if it's bullish, consolidation, or bearish, you take it. Let's say it's bearish market. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and bring this one here, number. Okay, let's bring the number here. The outcome of the trade, was it a profitable trade or not? How much did we gain, and how much we lost? Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and bring this one, and we're gonna choose this one. The format we need to, in terms of percentage or amount of money that we lost or we win. So let's bring the dollar. Okay, you can choose to bring percentage. All right, let's say you win, let's say 1% on your account. If you want to see it in terms of percentage, you can choose the percentage here. If you want to see it in terms of dollar, you can choose the dollar. So I'll go with the dollar, and I'll choose this one as number, but I'll add the dollar sign to it. Okay, all right, so that is it. And let's say if the trade was a $50 profit, I'll just input $50 here, $50 here, and that was, this is the trade result. All right, and the last one, we're going to go ahead and bring in link. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and bring a link here, so that I'll link the trade chart to this chart here. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and select URL, pick this one, URL, and then let me change it to, so I'm gonna change this one to link, and then all right, so I change it to link. So we have this link right here. Okay, so let's maintain this one. All right, so anytime we take the trade, let's say we win $50, so this is the profit that we want, and let's say the URL, you come to the trading view, and then we copy the link of the chart or the trade, whatever. Okay, you can go to share, and then you copy the link, and then you come to your trading journal, and then you input the link there. Okay, so that anytime one day you can just press on the link, and it will open the chart for you. All right, and let's say we take another trade on gold. All right, let's say you take another trade on gold. and we want to input here. So this is how you're gonna do it. You're gonna be like, let's say XAU USD gold trade, and let's say we took it on Thursday. We're gonna select the date on Thursday, and select the date. All right. So what was the session that you used to take the trade? Let's say it was in the Asian session or the New York. So we took the trade in New York. What was the market direction? It was a consolidation market. What was the confluence for the trade? We took the trade on the other block. And was it a win trade? Let's say it was a loss. And how much did we lose, let's say, on the trade? Let's say we lost $30 on the trade. And what was the trade link? Then you come to your trading view. Then you copy the link for the chart or the... All right, so you copy it, and then you come to your Notion journal, then you input. All right, so this is how to input this one. Okay, after finishing, you need to link this one to your calendar so that it will be showing in the form of calendar, right? So this is how to do it. You need to come to this area, this plus here. You select this one, and then you're gonna come to calendar. Select calendar here. All right, let me change this one to, like, let's name this one calendar, and let me change this one to table overview. Table overview. Okay, so this one is the table overview, and this one is the calendar. Okay, let's come to the calendar. All right, now you see it is showing in the form of calendar. Anything that is happening here in the table overview is showing in the form of calendar in the calendar session. Okay, so you can come here, and now we have this date on the 13th of, let's say, February. We took this gold trade. All right, if you want to bring in the confluence for the trade, you can press in, and it's going to open the details on the trade that we took for you. It's going to come. You see, this is the details. And if you want them to come on the screen, if you want it to come on the screen, you can come to this area here, this 3 dashes here, press there. Then you come to properties, okay? And then you can show everything, all right? So you can see, as now I'm showing the direction, and the direction is showing on the calendar, okay? You can use to unseen it, and you can choose to, bring it out also from this place. And all the details will be showing on the calendar, okay? So you can do everything right here. And this is how to do this. Okay, as you can see, everything is showing inside the calendar. All right, so this is how to create a professional trading journal to input your trade and anything. So anytime I want to take a trade, I just take the trade in the camera and then make sure everything is documented here, so that at the end of the month I just have to refer over. All right, you can use this one also to create your strategy book or whatever. I have this one here as my playbook. This is what I used to follow anytime I want to enter a trade. All right, so everything is documented right here before I take a trade. All right, so you can use this one to journal your trade and also keep your trading records. All right, so if you like the video, comment down below if you have any question, and subscribe to the channel.